The wind is crisp, the sun is out, and I found myself here in nature, in stillness. The water moving at its own pace, I will follow suit and move at my own pace too. We often run from one thing to the next, chasing to-do lists, chasing expectations, whether your own or those of others. But today, I have decided not to chase. I came to be with myself, to be with the breeze, the sound of the waves, the sound of the trees. Being alone isn't empty. It isn't lonely. It's full. It's nourishing. It's a chance to hear yourself clearly without the noise of the world. Somewhere along the way, we were told that being alone means something is missing. But I believe the opposite. That solitude isn't a gap to be filled. It's a gift, a deep inhale, a return. Nature reminds me of who I am without effort. The trees don't hurry to bloom. The waves don't compete to crash louder. Everything just exists unapologetically. So I sit among it all, the waves, the tree roots, the rocks, the air, and I remember that I too am allowed to just be. This bench is simple, just wood and stillness. But sitting here, I feel full of thoughts, full of gratitude, full of a quiet kind of joy that doesn't shout, but gently hums. I don't need to be somewhere far away to find peace. I just need to be present, here, now. In my own company, that's where self-care begins, not with bubble baths or checklists, but with presence, with permission to pause. The trees don't try to be anything but what they are. They're rooted, grounded, growing at their own pace. And the rocks, they remind me of quiet strength. They've been here longer than all of us. No flash, no flex, just solid. Still, holding space. That's the energy that I'm trying to tap into lately. There's peace in small things. The way the sand shifts underfoot, the smell of the air after the breeze brushes the trees, the way your body softens when no one's watching. In nature, I don't need to shrink or shine. I just need to show up, to be honest with what I feel. Some days that's calm, some days it's not, but accepting that both are okay. There's so much noise in life, so many expectations. Sometimes we just need space to breathe, to feel, to not have to explain. Being alone doesn't mean we're lonely. It means we're giving ourselves attention, giving ourselves time, giving ourselves the care we need. I used to think we had to be surrounded by people all the time to feel complete. But these quiet moments are showing me something different. They're showing me that solitude can feel like coming home. As the light starts to shift, I remind myself, Self-care isn't something I do once a month. It's something I practice daily, quietly, in moments like these. Alone doesn't mean isolated. It means connected to the earth, to my breath, to my soul, to my heart. And if you've been needing a moment like this, take it. Go outside, sit with yourself, breathe in, let go, because you deserve a life that feels like peace, even in the simplest moments of nature.